Well, these guys were prepared from the get-go. They started in September working out, skating, and after our loss last year in the Central Mass Finals, they were ready. We had a younger team. We had a bunch of juniors, and they were committed to do this.
What makes you such a good third period team?
They're in great shape. We outshot them 12-4 in the third, and they never complained.
Yeah.
We worked very, very hard on conditioning every year, and I don't think but one game early in the season did we lose the third period.
You weren't going to let a hot goalie beat you. You made your work for the goals you got.
Yeah, we were trying to move them right or left. On that first goal, we went right or left, and then Devin's pass over to O'Donnell for the game winner was the same thing. It went right to left because straight on, he's probably one of the best goalies in the state. He made the All-Star team, and we faced him before. He's a tremendous goalie.
How many state titles now for Long Meadow? Do you know?
I don't know.
Yeah, talk about now how what your game plan was to kind of get through. Obviously, they're a real tough team. What were you saying beforehand was the key to them?
Well, I mean, we're both pretty big teams. We're both pretty physical teams. The refs really let us play. It was a pretty physical game. There were some great hits. Both teams gave some great hits, and they let them play.
It had good flow.
It had great flow, and they were a little sluggish in the first period, getting our skate legs, from the bus ride. It was early. We left at 7:30, really 6:30 in the morning. Daylight savings time, so that's pretty early for both teams.
It's a team effort, but talk about what your first line has meant to you all season.
I mean, a game like this, all three lines showed up, and to be honest with you, I will say they were a tremendous line this year. But we couldn't have done it with those other two playing the roles that they did. But I mean, we've got a lot of talent up in that first line.
When did you know that you guys had something special going this year?
We knew it last year. We only lost 2 players last year, and we went to the Central Mass Finals having a below 500 record, and these guys were playing great. So when tryouts started, I think it begun.
Talk about your seniors. You have 9 seniors on this team. Obviously, their leadership, their experience makes a lot of the bulkier talent. Talk about how big they were.
Well, the talent, I mean, is one thing. The leadership was another. And I think that probably meant more. Got a great captain. He's been great since September. He's led our team, Devin Joyce. And the 2 assistants played the role, and they worked hard. And all the seniors were very, very close. So it was very easy to keep these guys up, keep these guys going and motivated.
Your assistant captains are?
Matt Fattini and Tom McEwen.